In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable JavaScript on Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do it on literally any device that you're using Google Chrome on. So let's say you're on an Android device. All you want to do is go over to your settings application and then go ahead and open up Google Chrome. Then on the top right, go ahead and press those three little dots. And then towards the bottom, you're going to find settings. So go ahead and click on that. Now, once you're here, go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see the advanced section of settings. Now you're going to see a lot of different things, but the fourth last option that you're going to find is site settings. So go ahead and click on that. Now, once you're here, just go ahead and scroll down even more. And under content, the second option you'll find is JavaScript. And once you go ahead and click on it, you just want to make sure where it says sites can use JavaScript, make sure that is toggled on. And then if you want to add a few site exceptions, like you want a few websites that don't use JavaScript, you can press add site exception and do that as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you don't know about yet.